You're watching EDS TV. The car merging should have slowed down and got behind the vehicle already in the lane. Instead, they just veered over and then lost control. The person merging does not have the right-of-way and is supposed to yield. What's the worst that could happen? Hit an oncoming car head-on and kill an entire family on their way home? I mean, geez Louise, some people's obliviousness is just truly astonishing.
I cannot believe my... Oh, here comes the popo. Uh-oh, here comes the popo. Here you go, hold this. You could film all this craziness that's going on. Dang. Oh! Oh, that's this person like, oh. You like, let me not go that way.
That second car got really lucky that the police didn't try to pull them over. Drivers in the East Bay are something else. Oakland drivers are some of the worst, and this is coming from a Houstonian. Once I win the lottery one day, if I do win it, I'm going to let these fools hit me and teach them a very expensive lesson. Split fault in my opinion. I'd argue 70-30 with the turner less at fault because 3 seconds of red is enough to reasonably expect oncoming traffic will stop. The Miata has no acceleration, so they're compensating by not braking. They'll get their own stop pretty soon, a hard one at that.
Though it feels like it's the same debate happening again and again. These House Republicans down spending, they want to bring down government spending, and I think it's really important to know for the audience, regardless of whatever happens in the House, the Senate has to pass a bill to Democratic majority. Whatever happens in the Senate is going to go back to the House, it's going to pass a Democratic vote, and then plan on president. So whatever happens.
Color me shocked that the driver tailgating less than a car length from the camera's bumper and cutting off drivers would also react that way to a honk. They were definitely someone you could anticipate needing to pay extra attention to on the road. This is the most blatantly dumbest thing I've compiled in a long time. That really sucks for the camera. They didn't notice anything until they made contact. A full-blown idiot for sure. I hope they're well insured and the camera's back isn't too messed up. Well, the first Tesla merged in front of the camera, so the Tesla that tried to pass should have yielded and let the camera pass in the first place. Cars that have to merge have to yield to the cars who don't. I'm not sure what the deal is, but that vehicle that rear-ended the camera was clearly a commercial one, and on top of that, the driver fled the scene. Finally, a video with someone swearing to themselves the way I would in this situation. Way too many people seem to go through these experiences in total silence. Out of all the cars on the road, they had to hit an Aston Martin. Someone's insurance isn't gonna be happy, and it doesn't look like the ABS kicked in at all, so it makes me question if brakes were even applied. This video is a horrifyingly accurate replication of how awful drivers are in that town. This isn't uncommon or a one-off in any way. No one in that town cares the slightest bit about their driving, and they outwardly tell you that. One of the most unthreatening things I've ever seen. They better stop getting out of their cars, because one day they're gonna get out on the wrong person. The funny part about driving in Massachusetts is that they have one of the lowest rates of motor vehicle fatalities, because I honestly think everyone expects complete and utter road idiots.
I was sitting on my couch. I saw that.
The amount of people that just won't take responsibility for things they do nowadays just blows my mind. The person didn't even appear to react. They just kept driving and kept their hand at the 12 o'clock. Tesla drivers are slowly becoming the more and more entitled drivers on the road. They're honestly catching up to BMW drivers. It's hard to see, but the truck cut off and brake checked the driver in the red car after she cut in front of someone else. It wasn't even that bad of a cutoff, it was more or less just dumb, and he reacted by almost wrecking her car and others. Thank you for watching. Please consider liking, commenting, and subscribing because it really helps me. If you'd like me to feature one of your clips, please email it to originalddsTV2@gmail.com.